Just don't tilt the boat.
Okay.
Come on. Come here. Oh, you know I love you. You know I love you, right? Hold on. Hold on.
Sorry, Fee. Stay. What up?
Let's go kayaking!
You dropped your sunglasses.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Hey, can I use these?
Yeah. Do you want to use these? A little more manly.
Oh, I'll use these.
My message.
You take the blue pill and wake up and everything is as was yesterday. You take the red pill and find out how far the rabbit hole really goes. Hey, come on,
Shut up, dog. I'm gonna sit on you. I'm gonna sit on you.
Whoa. Man overboard. Whoa. I wish I'd gone off the dock. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, it's beautifully still. Okay, we're gonna go to the right. We're gonna go to the right. Alright.
My turn to work.
You're doing the work, yeah. Sit. Okay. See you. And don't even yeah, just like take a round, like
I
move
get
it
to take
around.
a break.
Like move it
I don't have to paddle. Sergio's doing all the work.
Yeah, just move it around to the right, yeah.
Buffy. Do you better. Here she is.
Don't drop it.
There they are. Yeah. Okay. Here we go! Oh!
Well done.
Shit.
Cold?
That was a terrible dive.
Cold?
Okay. Oh, it's fun. That was ridiculous trying to climb up on this thing.
You made it.
I made it. Thank you. Your turn.
Just don't tilt the boat.
Okay. That's a good one. Yes, why not? You see him? There he is. What? How cool is that? Ah, you're awesome. What? That's so cool. Okay, let's get out of his way. Dude, he's flying right out time. That is so cool. I am. He's waving. That's awesome. That is amazing. I want one. I want that for Christmas, brother. And then it dunks him in the water. And it's gonna dunk him in the water. Wow. Okay, down that thing. Oh, thanks.
Mm-hmm. Victory.
Kayaking. Kayaking. Wisdom talk.
The wisdom tub.
The wisdom talk.
Yeah. Wisdom tub sessions. Wisdom tub sessions.
Wisdom tub.